Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Shazam app not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? Many iPhone users is reported this face the problem, and this issue Shazam app is not working on iPhone. So first of all, you have turn off Bluetooth, then you have while using the Shazam app. So then you have open the setting, click on Bluetooth. I have already turned off, then you have must be turned off while using the Shazam app on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have Shazam app is not working, so then you have remove from here and then delete. So then you have install from App Store. Then third solution, you have reinstall from iPhone storage. So then you have open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on iPhone storage. So then you have find from here Shazam app. So then you have open from here. So then you have upload and then reinstall from here. Then fourth solution, you have restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Then fifth solution, you have privacy turn off and screen time. So then you have open the setting, then you have click on screen time. So then you have click on content and privacy restrictions. So then you have turn off from here while Shazam app is not working. So then last solution, you have reset all setting on iPhone. So then you have again open the setting, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset network setting, and then iPhone given a passcode, and then you have enter a passcode, and then do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset or network setting on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.